I think one of the things that we miss a lot hearing from our political leadership is the idea that our founders understood the people were safer because they were armed. I carry a gun recognizing that there's no amount of military or police presence that's going to keep me safe, and so given that I'm a female out on the road by myself, frequently alone, I want to make sure that I've got a way to protect myself, and so my gun stays with me right behind my seat where I can get to it easily, where I can reach it easily, and I have it loaded and ready to go. I hope I never have to use it, but I've got it with me in the event that I do.
And if someone was thinking, you do not have a concealed to carry license, you don't need one to carry one in your car, right?
You don't need one to carry one in your car. Keep it in your home. We've got the Castle Doctrine in Texas, so you are able to carry a gun with you in your vehicle or keep one in your home to protect yourself.
Is there any possibility that you would misuse the gun, mishandle it, cause someone else pain by accident because you have it in the car?
Gosh, I can't see having it in the car that would be the case, but certainly with any weapon, there's always the opportunity for an accident. You want to be very careful in the ownership and in the use, and you want to be held responsible, and I believe you should be held responsible if you do an accidental shooting and cause some kind of harm or damage. But I think by and large, gun owners are safe, and they understand that they have the gun for their own protection, perhaps for the protection of other innocent individuals who might be in their proximity when some danger arises.
Governor Rick Perry and Senator Kay Bailey Hutchison take up most of the attention in the fight for the Republican nomination for governor, but gun-toting Debra Medina says she should be heard too. She courts the Libertarian Tea Party wing of the GOP, and as you saw, she's a strong supporter of gun owner rights. Channel 8's Brad Watson reports.
The right to carry a gun isn't just a principle to Debra Medina, who's running for governor as a Republican. It's also protection.
I'm interested in protecting myself from the crime, and I think our leadership needs to be more vocal in reminding people of that.
Medina keeps a semi-automatic pistol in her car while campaigning. A legal arrangement, the Texas State Rifle Association says, as long as the weapon stays out of sight in the vehicle. Medina doesn't hold a concealed handgun permit, claiming it's government interference.
I recognize, as our founders did, that the police can't get there fast enough.
The Second Amendment rights issue loads well into her anti-tax, pro-life, Tea Party-oriented campaign. But during a stop in Denton County, she said the green kind of ammo, money, is hard to come by, so she can try to compete with Perry and Hutchison.
My experience is in fighting corruption, not being a part of it.
She's airing a TV ad in just 5 cities this weekend, not enough to sharply broaden her name ID statewide. But she hopes to raise her single-digit standing in polls to qualify to appear in 2 upcoming statewide debates.
There are many Texans who don't know they have another choice, and it's really important that I'm on that stage so they recognize this is a 3-man race.
Medina says she doesn't accept the role of spoiler, so she campaigns to be taken seriously and is ready for any serious challenge to her safety.
And it goes with me everywhere I go.
Brad Watson, Channel 8 News.